Movies show this scene all the time. A person enters space and their body reacts instantly. But is that really how space works? Or is the real science very different from what films show? The common belief is simple. A human body cannot exist in space, even for a moment. This idea mostly comes from dramatic movie scenes, but let's replace fiction with real physics and biology. Space isn't filled with cold air. It's almost empty. On Earth, air pressure constantly pushes on your body from all sides. In space, that pressure suddenly disappears. That pressure change is the key factor behind everything that follows. When exposed to space, air leaves the lungs very quickly. Breathing becomes impossible. The body struggles to maintain oxygen balance. Within a short time, awareness fades, not because of temperature, but because the body can't function normally without pressure. No, the human body is not fragile like a balloon. Human skin is flexible and strong enough to hold the body together. Instead of bursting apart, the body expands slightly due to pressure changes. Liquids inside the body behave strangely in low pressure, not because of heat, but because pressure affects how liquids act. Here's what science shows. The body appears swollen, vision becomes unclear, normal circulation is disrupted, muscles lose coordination. These effects happen quickly, but they are not dramatic explosions. Another common belief is instant freezing. That's also incorrect. Without air, heat doesn't escape quickly. Temperature effects happen much later than people expect. Human survival in space is extremely limited. Without protection, the body can only function for a very short window. That's why pressure-controlled suits are essential for astronauts. Research and testing by NASA helped engineers understand these limits precisely. Myth: space causes instant violent reactions. Truth: the body shuts down due to pressure loss, not explosions. Space is dangerous, not because it is dramatic, but because it removes the conditions human biology depends on. Here's something fascinating. If pressure is the main problem, how do spacesuits recreate Earth-like conditions in an empty vacuum? Science often surprises us by being quieter than fiction. And far more interesting, what do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments. Follow Mythiva Science so you can learn something new daily.